Hello everyone, this is Sam Helsad speaking, coming to you with a very hot and new topic, all related to project management. We will see what is project management, nature of project management, what are the different types of project management, waterfall project management, agile project management, and lean project management. And please let me remind you, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little bell to get notified about my new videos. Stay tuned. Project management involves the planning and organization of a company's resources to achieve a specific task, event, or duty. It can involve a one-time project or an ongoing activity. Project management is often associated with fields in engineering and construction, and more lately healthcare and IT, which typically have a complex set of components that have to be completed and assembled in a fashion to create a functioning product. No matter what the industry is, the project management does the same job, which is what? Which is to help define the goals and objectives of the project and determine when the project components are to be completed and by whom, by what team. They also create quality control checks to ensure completed components meet a certain standard. Generally speaking, the project management process includes the following stages: planning, initiation, execution, monitoring, and closing. From start to finish, every project needs a plan that outlines how things will get off the ground, how they will be built, and how they will finish. For example, in architecture, the plan starts with an idea, progresses to drawings, and moves on to blueprint drafting, with thousands of little pieces coming together between each stage. The architect is just one person providing one piece of the puzzle. The project manager puts it all together. And now let's talk about the project management stages in detail. These stages include initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, project closure. For the project initiation, it is the formal start of a project. It usually begins with the issue of a project mandate, which briefly describes the purpose of the project and authorizes budget spent. The project planning stage, the second stage, is key to successful project management. This stage typically begins with setting goals. At this stage, you will also define the project scope and develop a project plan. The project implementation stage, the third stage, it's also called project execution. Simply means putting your project plan into action, starting already. It often begins with a project kick-off or starting meeting. The next stage is project monitoring and control stage. It often overlaps with execution as they often occur at the same time. They require measuring project progression and performance and dealing with any issues that arise from day-to-day work. The last stage and fifth stage is project close or project closure. During this last phase, you will complete your work and dissolve the project. Closure doesn't necessarily mean success. Simply, this is the final point of the project. All of us know that some project might end up in a big failure. So closing the project doesn't always necessarily mean success. Well, that wraps up our topic for today.